Are you curious about what the world will look like in 2023? In this video, I'm going to reveal some of the most groundbreaking facts about 2023 that you need to know. From technological advancements to global changes, get ready to be astonished by the future. Discover all the unknowns that await us and find out why 2023 is set to be an incredibly exciting year. Let's kick things off. Number 1. ChatGPT. You have to be living under a rock if you haven't heard of ChatGPT. Nevertheless, let me explain. An American firm called OpenAI came out with this in just November last year, and in just about 50 days it has gotten everyone gripped. It's basically an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot. ChatGPT is a new virtual assistant that can answer a wide range of questions and perform complex tasks. Some people are using it for fun, while others are using it to get their work done. The bot can write stories and essays, respond to a large range of questions, and simplify complex topics. It has been successful in answering some of the toughest questions and clearing the MBA exam as well as Google Level 3 coding test. Microsoft launched the new Bing in the web and in its Edge browser, powered by a combination of a next-gen OpenAI GPT model and Microsoft's own Prometheus model. With this, Microsoft jumped ahead of Google in bringing this kind of search experience to the mainstream, though we'll likely see the competition heat up in the next few months. However, there are also concerns about the tool's potential misuse, such as producing incorrect answers, creating propaganda, making cheating easier, and perpetuating societal biases. Experts are also concerned about the tool's impact on entry-level jobs and cybersecurity. It is important to understand that AI systems can be misused if not designed with appropriate safeguards. Number 2. Killer robot. Robots that can fight each other, known as killer robots, are becoming a real threat and are becoming dangerous. These robots are being used in wars and are decision makers on their own. They can use artificial intelligence to identify and select targets to kill, without any human intervention. Many countries are investing in developing these lethal robotic weapons, including Israel, Russia, South Korea, and the United States. The development of these robots raises ethical and safety concerns, and also increases the chances of conflict escalation. There are currently no laws to regulate these robots, and authorities and experts are at odds on how to handle them. The UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres has spoken out against autonomous machines with the power to take lives without human involvement and believes they should be prohibited by international law. A movement to ban or regulate these robots is gaining traction. Number 3. Nuclear rocket. NASA is testing new technology that could make it faster to travel to Mars. This new technology is called a nuclear thermal rocket. Right now, it takes about 7 months to get to Mars, but with this new technology, it could take just 45 days. This will help keep the astronauts safe by reducing the time they are exposed to dangerous space radiation. Using this technology will also mean that the spacecraft will not need to carry as much food and other supplies. This will make it possible to carry more science equipment and have more power for communication. Many countries and private companies are working on ways to send people to Mars. Nuclear technology will likely be very important in these future missions. Number 4. Tech giant companies announce job cut. Job loss is one of the biggest signs of a recession. During the Great Recession in 1929, employment dropped significantly in the US and even more in other places. More than 77,000 workers in US-based tech companies have been laid off in mass job cuts so far in 2023, according to a Crunchbase News tally. Recently, companies such as Microsoft and Amazon have announced layoffs, with Microsoft planning to lay off as many as 10,000 workers, around 5% of its total workforce, and Amazon announcing its largest ever layoff, firing at least 18,000 people. The question is, why is this happening? And the main reasons are: revenue growth is slower than expected, so companies are downsizing staff. In the last couple of years, tech companies have been on a hiring spree, but now they need to adjust to changing customer priorities. Some analysts believe that most tech companies today can easily afford to let go of 10 to 15% of their staff, so the question is, what does this mean for job security in general? This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting facts and updates on the world around us.